Let us solve question number 5 of self-evaluation and revision, chapter 4 of ICSE class 10th mathematics. You see, question number 5 of chapter 4 is like this. Solve the following inequation and graph the solution on the number line. Question is 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4 less than 11, where x belongs to real number. Now here you see I have splitted this inequation in two parts. In the first part is 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4. In the second part, that is 5x plus 4 less than 11. So in the first part, what I have done, I have transposed plus 4 to the left hand side, that is why minus 5 minus 4, and 2x I have transposed to the right hand side, so the 5x minus 2x. Here it will become minus 9x less than or equal to 3x. Again I have divided by 3 both the sides, so here I have got minus 3 less than or equal to x. In the second part, 5x plus 4 less than 11. Here 5x has been kept on the left hand side and 4 has been transposed to right hand side, so 11 minus 4, that is 7. So again the x is less than 7 by 5. So x is less than 1 and 2 by 5, or x is less than 1.4. Here by combining these two solutions, x such that minus 3 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 7 by 5, where x belongs to real number. Now on number line, you see minus 3, this point has been darkened, means it is included, whereas 7 by 5, it is not darkened because it is a blank. So our solution set start from minus 3, including minus 3, up to 7 by 5, whereas 7 by 5 point is not included. And this 7 by 5 comes between 1 and 2. Now proceed question number 6. Solve 2 less than 2x less than or equal to 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 5, where x belongs to real, and mark it on the number line. I have splitted this inequation in two parts. In the first part you see 2 less than or equal to 2x minus 3, and the second part 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 5. So here it has become 2 plus 3, means this 3 has transposed to this side. So 2 plus 3 less than or equal to 2x. Again 5 is less than or equal to 2x. 5 by 2 is less than or equal to x. And again 2 and 1 by 2 less than or equal to x. Or you can say 2.5 less than or equal to x. Here 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 5. Here minus 3 will be transposed to this side and it will become plus. So 2x less than or equal to 5 plus 3. So 2x less than or equal to 8. Therefore the x is less than or equal to 4. By combining the result of these two parts, x such that 2.5 less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 4, where x belongs to real number. Now on the number line, you see 2.5 that will come in between 2 and 3. So 2.5 point has been darkened, and this line has been also darkened, and 4 is also included. So 2.5 and 4. These 2 points are also included, and the line between these 2 points is also included in the solution of question number 6. Now come to the question number 7. 7 states that given that x belongs to integer, solve the inequation and graph the solution on the number line. Where 3 is greater than or equal to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 greater than or equal to 2. You see, x belongs to integer. So 3 greater than or equal to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 greater than or equal to 2. Multiplying each term by 6, we have 18. You see, 6 3 is 18. So 18 greater than or equal to 3x minus 12. You see, once we will multiply it by 6, so 2 3 is 6, 3 will be multiplied to x, and 3 4 is 12. So 3x minus 12. Here also, you see, 3 2 is 6. So the 2 has been multiplied to x. So 2x. Now this is 2 here. So 6 2 is 12. I have written 12 here. Again, I have solved this middle part of it. You see, 18 is greater than or equal to 5x minus 12, and 5x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 12. This inequation has been split in two parts. In the first part I have written 18 is greater than or equal to 5x minus 12, and 5x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 12. You see, once you transpose this minus 12 to the left hand side, it will become plus. So the 30 will come. 30 is greater than or equal to 5x. Again, if you divide both sides by 5, you will get here 6. 6 is greater than or equal to 6x. And after transforming, x will be written on this side and 6 will come to this side by side. The sign of inequation will be also reversed. So here it is greater than or equal to, now it is written that x is less than or equal to 6. Now come to the second part, that is 5x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 12. 5x and 12 minus 12, it will be transposed to the right hand side, it will become 24. So 5x is greater than or equal to 24. X is greater than or equal to 24 by 5. Again, x is greater than or equal to 4.8. Now transform it. After transforming, you will get 4.8 is less than or equal to 4.8 is less than or equal to x. So combining these two results, you will get the solution like this. 4.8 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 6. Here x belongs to integer. The solution set will be 5 and 6. You see, 4.8, it will come here somewhere here. In between 4 and 5, nearest to 5 integer. So what will be the integer? 4.8 is not an integer. So that is why I have taken 5 as an integer and 6. These are the two solutions. I have not drawn the line. Only the point has been darkened because the integer will be on point only, that is 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 will be the solution set for question number 7. Now proceed to the question number 8. Question number 8 states that given that x belongs to real, solve the following inequality and graph the solution on the number line. Minus 1 is less than or equal to 3 plus 4x and 3 plus 4x is less than 23. Now see here, x belongs to real number, minus 1 is less than or equal to 3 plus 4x and less than 23. I have splitted this part in equation in two parts, minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x, and in the second part 3 plus 4x less than 23. So minus 4 is less than, you see, 3 will be transposed to the left hand side, it will become minus, and minus 1 and minus 3, it will become minus 4. So minus 4 is less than or equal to 4x. And finally, you see, minus 1, if you just divide it by 4, both sides, we will get minus 1 is less than or equal to x. Come to the second part of it, that is 3 plus 4x is less than 23. Transpose this 3 to this side, it will become 4x is less than 20. X is less than 5. So our solution set will be like this: x such that minus 1 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 5, where x belongs to real number. Now this point has been represented through the number line graph. So here it is minus 1, that is darkened circle, and from here minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. Not 5 is not included, the open circle not included. So just near to 5, but it will not be 5 will be not included in the solution. So in this way the solution has been written of the question number 8. Now question number 9. Solve the following inequation and graph the solution on the number line. Minus 2 and 2 by 3 less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 less than 3 and 1 by 3, x belongs to real number. You see, I have just 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, 8, minus 8 by 3. Here I will take the LCM, 3 1 are 3, so 3x plus 1 whole divided by 3. Here 3 3 are 9 plus 1, 10, 10 divided by 3. Now multiply all the terms by 3, we get. You see, this side, when you multiply 3, we will get minus 8 is less than or equal to 3x plus 1 less than 10. So minus 8 less than or equal to 3x plus 1. I have splitted this inequation in two parts, and in the second part 3x plus 1 is less than 10. So in the first part, you see, once you transpose this plus 1 to this side, it will become minus and it will be added to the minus 8. So minus 9 is less than or equal to 3x. So lastly, minus 3 is less than or equal to x. In the second part, you see 3x plus 1 less than 10 and 3x. Once you transpose this to this side, so it will become 9, means 10 minus 1, that will become 9. So 3x is less than 9 and x is less than 3. On combining both sides, we get x such that minus 3 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 3, and where x belongs to real number. Now the number line graph will be like this. -3 has been darkened and 3 is open circle, you can say blank circle. This point will be not included in the solution. So the solution will get -3 complete. All the points which lies on this line, darkened line or thickened line, will be taken as a solution of the solution set of the question number 9. Now proceed to the question number 10. Question number 10 states that solve the given inequation and graph the solution on the number line 2y minus 3 less than y plus 1 less than or equal to 4y plus 7, where y belongs to real. So here you see, I have splitted this inequation in two parts: 2y minus 3 less than y plus 1 and y plus 1 less than or equal to 4y plus 7. In the first part, the right hand side y has been transferred to this side, so 2y minus y is less than 1 plus 3. So ultimately we will get y is less than 4. In the second part, y plus 1 is less than or equal to 4y plus 7. Here the y minus 4y is less than or equal to 7 minus 1. So here again minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. So the minus y is less than or equal to 2. Here if we just multiply both sides by minus 1, so it will become plus and this will become minus 2 it will come, but side by side the sign of inequation will be also reversed. Here it is less than equal to, here it will become y is greater than or equal to minus 2. On transforming we get means the number which is written on the right hand side will go to the left hand side, and the number which is the things which is written on the left hand side will come to the right hand side. But doing this process, the sign of inequality will be also reversed. So you see, it is greater than or equal to, now it has become minus 2 is less than or equal to y. This process is known as transforming. Now come to the solution here. Y is such that minus 2 is less than or equal to y and y is less than 4, where y belongs to real number. So on number line you see minus 2 and this is 4. Minus 2 will be darkened as well as the line up to 4, not excluding 4, means up to 4. So the complete line has been darkened because this is the solution set graph. Now proceed to the question number 11. Now question number 11 states that solve the inequations and represent the solution set on the number line. Minus 3 plus x less than or equal to 8x plus 3 plus 2 less than or equal to 14 by 3 plus 2x, where x belongs to integer. Now multiply all the terms by 3. We get 9 minus 9 plus 3x less than or equal to 8x plus 6 less than or equal to 14 plus 6x. So again, now this complete inequation will be subdivided in two parts. In the first part, I have written minus 9 plus 3x less than or equal to 8x plus 6. After transposing this 6 to this side, we will get minus 15, and this 3x will be transposed to this side. So 8x minus 3x will ultimately get 5x. So minus 15 is less than or equal to 5x. So minus 3 again, if you divide by 5, so minus 3 is less than or equal to x. Now come to the second part of it, that is 8x plus 6 less than or equal to 14 plus 6x. So 8x minus 6x is less than or equal to 14 minus 6. So it will become 2x less than or equal to 8x, and further it will become x is less than or equal to 4. Now the solution set will be like this: x such that minus 3 is less than or equal to x and x is less than or equal to 4, where x belongs to integer. That is, our solution set will be like this: minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4. This will be the solution set. So on the number line graph you can see this is the minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4. Because I have indicated, I have shown the point with the darkened circle, and these are the integers because the x belongs to integer. So I have not darkened the line. I have darkened only the points, means integral part or integers which are coming in the solution. Now proceed to the question number 12. Question number 12 states that solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. That is, minus 3 less than minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by x. X belongs to real number. See, solve the following inequations and represent the solution set on the number line. So minus 3 less than minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by x, where x belongs to real number. Multiply all the terms by 6 we have. So once we multiply each term by 6, we will get minus 18 less than minus 3 minus 4x less than or equal to 5. So this inequation can be split in two ways. In the first part, that is minus 18 less than or equal to, less than minus 3 minus 4x. And this minus 3 will be transposed to the left hand side and it will become plus, hence it will minus 15 will come. Here minus 4x as it is. Now this complete equation will be divided by only 4, minus 4 you can say, minus 4. So on dividing by both sides by minus 4, you will get 15 by 4 greater than 4 by greater than x. You can say 15 by 4 is greater than x. On transforming, we will get x less than 15 by 4. So now come to the second part of it, that is minus 3 minus 4x less than or equal to 5. So minus 4x is less than or equal to 8. You see, minus 3 will go to the right hand side, it will become plus, and 5 plus 3, that it will become 8. So again, now dividing both sides by minus 4, we will get the result x greater than or equal to minus 2. Because you see that it was lesser than or equal to, now it has become greater than or equal to, and the result will be minus 2. Now transforming, we have minus 2 less than or equal to x. So on combining these two results, you can write minus 2 less than or equal to x, and x is less than 3.75. So on the number line graph, you see this is minus 2 has been darkened here, and 15 by 4 or 3.7.5, that will come in between 3 and 4. So it will be not darkened here, it will be open circle or blank circle, you can say. So all those points on the number line which will be considered in real numbers, so these points, the line, complete line will also be considered as a real numbers, and hence our result is, solution result will be minus 2 less than or equal to x, and x is less than 3.75. So in this way we have completed up to 12 questions.